It's fast, impeccably presented and daring. It could only be Her Majesty's Royal Air Force. So set coordinates to raf-careers.com. It is rather refreshing to witness a government-owned website that completely understands its audience and spends taxpayers' money so wisely. From the cleverly rendered virtual airbase, you, the potential RAF employee, have at your disposal a number of interactive options which help build your knowledge base in many key career areas. By following the aspirational missions links, you get to try your hand at a diverse range of challenges, including radar clearance and code cracking. Your success or failure in these tasks aid you, and I guess the RAF, in sizing up your potential for a range of exciting careers. But the DWC Medal, or Distinguished Web Cross, goes to the 3D Harrier Simulator, a flash game that is an unashamed indication that the RAF Careers webmasters understand their users' main reason for visiting: planes and bombs. There is a copious employment database that goes way beyond Biggles to include details on jobs from dentistry to munitions handling. After my success on that Harrier challenge, though, it's clear where my future lies. So, unlike myself, Kat, you don't walk around with your head in the clouds, but did you like this site?
Yeah, I'm not a pilot like you are, but the thing that was great about this site is just so different, isn't it? It's thinking laterally about enticing people into a new career, and that's just, just that whole little town you can go around and pick different bits and pieces. Fantastic.
I agree. I mean, the other thing that it gets across is the incredible diversity of career options, because obviously that's what this site is focusing on, purely careers.
It's not just pilots, is it?
Yeah, I mean, dental surgeons, doctors, and all kinds of logistical jobs that you can get involved with. But of course, the games.
To be fair, though, you only do that if you can't be a pilot.
It's true. My dad always used to say that.
Yeah.
You say, all these people there, son, just for one person to get in a plane.
Yeah, it takes us to the Harrier game.
It does, and which I think is incredible. Designed in Flash and Shockwave, beautifully implemented. Did you have a spin?
I had a go, but it just made me think that is how modern warfare is going to be. That is the future of modern warfare. So I think you really, really love this site. What are you going to give it?
It's right. I mean, it almost made me want to give up showbiz and kind of laser target complete strangers. So it could only be 10 out of 10.